So guys, welcome to our channel once again. In today's video on our JAMB Government Exam Revision Series, we have here these 5 JAMB repeated questions to answer on the topic forms of government. So guys, in today's video, we'll be discussing unitary system of government, including the features, adoption, merits, and demerits. So guys, let's go ahead and start with the first question here. It says, unitary system of government is more suitable to a country A, with a robust and dynamic economy, B, that possesses a strong and modern army, C, with a relatively small area and a homogeneous population, D, that is sparsely populated. So guys, the answer to this question is option C. Unitary system of government is more suitable to a country with a relatively small area and a homogeneous population. So that's it for this question. Let's head on to the next one, guys. So here's question number 2. It says, unitary system of government is best applicable to A/An. We have A, heterogeneous states, B, multi-party states, C, unicameral states, and D, homogeneous states. So guys, the answer to this question is option D here, that's homogeneous states. Let's get on to the next question, guys. So over here is question number 3. It says, one of the merits of unitary system of government is A, it lowers local initiative, B, the decisions of government are quick, C, promotes dictatorship, D, minorities dominate majority. So guys, the answer to this question is option B here. The decision of governments are quick. So that's it for this question. Let's head on to the next one, guys. So we have here question number 4. It says, one of the merits of unitary system of government is A, it promotes dictatorship, B, the decisions of governments are quick, C, minorities dominate majority, D, it lowers local initiative. The answer here is option B, the decisions of governments are quick. So let's head on to the next and last question for this video, guys. So we have here question number 5 of 5. It says, one of the merits of unitary system of government is A, promote dictatorship, B, it lowers local initiative, C, the decisions of the government are quick, D, minority dominates majority. So guys, I believe you should have guessed rightly the answer to this question by now. So let's wrap it up. The answer to this question is option C here, and that's it for this question. So this is where we'll end this video for today, guys. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not a subscriber. Also, if you have any specific question regarding this video, you can drop your question in the comment section below and we'll be sure to give you a response. So finally, guys, I want to encourage you to join our YouTube channel community where we'll post major updates on JAMB examinations. So you can join this channel community by hitting the join button below and we'll see you right there. Thank you once again for watching this video. See you on the next one.